Hello, in this video we're gonna check which gestures and motions are available for the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M33. So first we'll need to open our settings. Here navigate to the advanced features, find motions and gestures, and here's all of the motions and gestures on this phone, and we're gonna check each of them if it works for your lock screen. So lift to wake is to turn on the screen when you pick up your phone, and that's basically the setting that works only on your lock screen. So lock your phone, pick it up in a grip, and it should wake up. So this clearly works on a lock screen. And the next one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. That also works on a lock screen, as you need to lock the device to even access it. So double tap to wake up and double tap to lock it. Next one is keep screen on while viewing, and this one probably works on your lock screen. So if the camera detects your face, like a front camera, it shouldn't dim or turn off the screen, and I'm pretty sure it works on a lock screen, and yeah, because it would already dim it, but it works fine. Next one is alert when the phone is picked up. If you enable it and get a call or any message and you didn't notice it, your phone was locked, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up, and this works on a lock screen for sure. I can't show you this exactly, but it says for itself that it works there. Turn over to mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. So basically enable it, turn your phone upside down like this, and you shouldn't receive any calls or messages, and that clearly works for a lock screen. Last one is fingerprint sensor gestures. If you enable it, you'll be able to scroll down notification bar using your fingerprint sensor like this. And let's try it on our lock screen. We'll need to wake it up and try to get the notification bar. But I think it doesn't work, as it tries to detect your finger to unlock your phone. And yeah, that's all of the motions and gestures which work on or don't work on your lock screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.